Hello dear crocheters! I finally finished and want to show you this cutest Marshmallow Dragon. Be sure to watch this video until the end. It has a lot of important information. This plush white and pink line dragon is perfect for advanced beginners and amigurumi lovers. The sweet combination of marshmallow colors makes it a wonderful handmade gift or kawaii room decoration. I suggest you create this soft and huggable fantasy critter with me based on simple and detailed step-by-step instructions. I'm sure you will like this Marshmallow Dragon and you will fall in love with it at first sight. The length of the dragon with an extended tail is about 32 cm or 12 inches. The peculiarity of this dragon is that the head, body and tail are crocheted as one piece. I tried to come up with a toy with the minimum number of sewn-on parts. In this dragon, just the legs, wings and heart are crocheted separately and sewn on. In place, that is, on the dragon, the crest is crocheted along the entire length, as well as set cute ears on the head. To create a special shape of the muzzle, I show how to make a simple tightening which, despite its simplicity, significantly transforms the dragon and improves the shape of the muzzle. The dragon's paws have particular claws crocheted in place, which adds uniqueness to this toy. To add expressiveness to the muzzle, nostrils are embroidered on the muzzle as well as eyebrows. I want to say that if you are a beginner, then you should not be afraid to try. Even if the toy does not turn out the same the first time as mine, it will still get better and better over time. But the most important thing is that you will have a dragon made with your own hands. And my pattern in PDF format, as well as a detailed step-by-step tutorial here on YouTube, will help you get a great result. Be sure to watch my video about the importance of crocheting density. This will help you significantly improve your crochet skills. For me, the most important thing is that everyone who decides to crochet a toy using my pattern or video tutorial can get pleasant emotions and a great result in the form of your own amigurumi toy. For this, I add the pattern in two versions to Etsy, a full and a short version. On YouTube, since March 2025, there is an informational video. I have improved the format of my videos and in addition to built-in English subtitles, I also began to add YouTube subtitles. Therefore, you can enable translation into your language and get a high-quality translation. And don't forget about the dubbing function, as well as the ability to slow down the video in the YouTube settings. I'm always grateful to those who support my creativity through membership on YouTube or buying a pattern on Etsy. It's very important to me. Thank you very much. You will find all the important links in the description under the video. Thank you for being with me. I wish you a creative mood. Crochet with pleasure.